Hello friends, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today we are doing foil embossing. So for that we need aluminium foil, mount board, jute string, glue, earbud, scissors and paints. So let's begin. So here on this mount board I am drawing a simple drawing. You can also draw anything you wish with your imagination. So I am drawing a pot in which there are flowers. So you can see that I have drawn a vase, a flower pot in which there are flowers like this. On this mount board we have to draw big size drawings because we have to stick jute string on it. We cannot draw small particles on this painting because we have to stick the jute string. Now I will stick the jute string with the help of a glue. So I'm going to apply glue on the border of my drawing. The mount board, it looks like this. Now let's go to the next step. So the next step is we have to put this aluminium foil. We have to cover this aluminium foil to this mount board. I'm going to press this from the back side. This side, slowly from the upper side, I'm going to press it like this. Now, with the help of a cotton board, we have to press this aluminium foil on the cardboard so we can see the design properly. Like this. We have to press the design. We have to press the design on the borders like this. We have to press it very gently because the aluminium foil is very light and it can tear apart. So we have to do it very gently. Now we have to start coloring with the help of poster colors. Now for the upper leaf, I am going to give green color to it. Red color. So these are my flowers. I've made 2 petals over here. To them I'm going to give red color. Like this. I'm going to paint all my flowers with red color. Now to the stem I'm going to give brown color. So my stem starts from here. Like this. Now I'm going to color my pot with the blue color. paint the borders with a black color like this. The jute string which is there, I'm painting that with black color. Our foil embossing painting is ready. You can frame it and use it as a wall decor. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.